How's it going, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. My name is Noah, and today I'm gonna teach you guys, finally, how to cop on the Nike Snkrs website. You guys ready? Let's go! A quick disclaimer, this is not 100% foolproof, but it will increase your chances on copping on the Nike Snkrs. I mean, come on, dude. It's Nike Snkrs. It's Nike Snkrs. It's so freaking hard to win on the Nike Snkrs. As you may all know, here in the Philippines, we still don't have the Nike Snkrs app. Why? I don't know. So we have to make do with the Nike Snkrs PH website. So first and foremost, when copying a Nike Snkrs, you want to know what type of drop it is. There's a Leo drop and there's a draw drop. A Leo drop is sort of a first come first serve type of drop. So whoever checks out first gets the shoe. Now the other type is the draw drop, wherein it's kind of like a on the spot raffle. You go in, select your size, input your payment details, and then Snkrs will randomly select whoever gets the shoe. Personally, I don't like draw releases, but maybe it's because I'm just unlucky. I never win raffles. Here in the Philippines, they always do a draw drop, which means they always do a on-the-spot raffle.
But Noah, how can I increase my chances of winning if it's always a raffle?
The first thing you need in increasing your chances on copping on the Nike Snkrs is multiple accounts. So you have to make as many of accounts as possible. So what do you need in making multiple accounts? 1, you need multiple emails, and 2, you need multiple cell phone numbers. Now making multiple emails is easy, no problem. Now your first obstacle is getting hold of multiple cell phone numbers, because Nike actually uses cell phone numbers for confirmation. They send a code through text message, which then you use to input on login. Now most people don't have the luxury of having multiple cell phone numbers.
So what can I do?
You have friends and family, don't you?
No.
Ask your friends and family if you can use their cell phone numbers. Get your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your auntie, your grandma, your grandfather to give you their cell phone numbers so you can use them for the multiple accounts. And ask them nicely to forward you the text message when Nike actually does send them the code. All you have to do is ask, man. Now, you have the multiple emails, you have the multiple cell phone numbers. Now what? Go ahead and make your account. You need a Nike Snkrs account to join the draw. So if you have made your multiple accounts, you are now set on copying on Nike Snkrs.
That was easy.
Hold up, there's one more thing you have to know. Do not do more than 3 entries on the same Wi-Fi network. Why? Unlike Adidas, where they track your cookies, Nike Snkrs actually tracks your IP address. So once they see that in the same IP address there's more than 3 entries, you get disqualified. Now they don't notify you when you've been disqualified, they just take out your account for that draw.
Oh man, now what?
This is where you need multiple devices, preferably cell phones with data. Why? Because once you connect to your cell phone's data through LTE, it actually gives you a different IP address. Make an entry on your laptop or your iPad or your PC on the Wi-Fi network, and you can make other entries using your cell phone data. So let's run it back. You need multiple emails, multiple phone numbers, and multiple devices. You need the emails and the phone numbers to make an account, and you're gonna use the multiple devices, preferably cell phones, so you can use the data so you won't get disqualified. Remember, don't do more than 3 entries on the same Wi-Fi network. So for collaboration Nike shoes, like the Off-White Jordan 4s dropping this Saturday, is only available in the Nike Snkrs here in the Philippines. Nike Snkrs is where they usually drop their collaboration shoes. Remember, Commonwealth Philippines and Seoul Academy does not carry any Jordans. But they do, however, carry collaboration Nike sportswear shoes like the Air Force 1, the Dunks, the SB Dunks, and so on and so forth. Now Titan does carry collaboration shoes, but they only range from Jordans and basketball shoes. So a little bonus tip for you guys for the more GR stuff or the non-collaboration shoes, like the Core Purple 2.0s and the Royal Toes, Nike Park actually releases them through their online raffles.
But Noah, how do do I join the online raffles in Nike Park?
You have to be a Nike Park member. Don't worry guys, it's free. You have to go to their website or their Instagram page, click on the link, hit sign up, input your personal information and your email address, and then you're a Nike Park member. It's all completely free. When there's a new release, they will send you an email on how you can join the raffles. That's gonna be it for this video guys. Make sure you smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell on so you would know when I drop another video. And follow me on Instagram at @NoAsABigArt, where I post the latest sneaker news, sneaker releases, sneaker restocks. Like some of my pictures to make me feel special and to cure my depression. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next episode. By the way, thank you for getting me to 500 subscribers. It really means a lot. Thank you for all the love and support you guys are giving me. And yeah, more videos come. Peace! Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @NoAsABigArt and let me know what other videos you would like to see.